What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see on Snapchat how to change profile picture. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile or your Bitmoji on the top left corner. From here, go to your this QR code, and in here you can find you can save it to camera roll. You can also change it. So how you can change it, that go to this option. Here you have to click on your Bitmoji and here you'll find the option of selfie. And now you will find several profile pictures that you can apply on your Snapchat. So as you can see, I have applied this one currently and I'm going to apply this one now. So tap on done. And if I go back, as you can see, my Bitmoji or my selfie is updated. So yeah, this is how you can change your profile picture too on your Snapchat. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon so you don't miss any videos of ours. We'll see you in the next one.